Welcome to a new video about the Kadett. Today I'm going to start to install the things in the inside. Especially I would start with the door handles and so on, so that I can open and close the door seriously. Here, so I'm going to start to clean the door handles, the door locks and so on. Start with this first, then carpet and so on. Okay. So as you can see, before and after. It's a hell of a mess to take the thrust protection back in the car. Woo! So guys, carpet is inside. This was really a mess. This freezing carpet, which needs to be under the normal carpet, this freezing protection. It was really hard to put it back in place, but I have everything now the place it should be. Now I will take out the seat belts because they are not working anymore, or not correctly at least, so I will clean them. But everything, battery on the mobile phone, battery on the gimbal, everything is empty, so I will try to film as long as possible, but that's it. Yeah, as you can see, the gimbal is gone. See you guys.